Aloha, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. This is part 3 in my song tutorial on how to play For Good from Wicked. This is the full song playthrough, so if you're ready to play and sing, this video is for you. A reminder, we're playing this in the key of C. The original is 1/2 step up in the key of C sharp or D flat. We're in a nice ukulele key of C major. If you want to play along with the original recording, you can put a capo on the 1st fret, but don't do that with me because I'm in the key of C. If you need a walkthrough of the chords, you can find that in part 1. If you want to practice counting and go through all of the chord progressions of the different sections of the song, you'll find that in part 2. And if you're ready to play the full song, you're in the right place. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them, and we help them in return. Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who I am today because I knew you. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes a sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the I've been changed for the better because I knew you. I have been changed for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made from what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by a wind off the sea, like a seed dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. But then I guess we know there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes a sun, like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better because I knew you. Because All right, nice job. I hope playing the song on your ukulele has changed you for good. Thank you so much for playing and learning with me. Once again, my name is Kathryn. If you had fun learning with me, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel for more song tutorials, more music theory, and more creativity together. By the way, if you want more time learning with me and deeper dives into songs, check out my Patreon page, Ukulele Wine Club. Wine is not necessary. You can drink whatever you like right now. I'm sipping some throat coat tea. Cheers. But you get access to my full chart library, tons of workshops, including finger picking, singing while strumming, music theory, new song tutorials each month, and a really positive and supportive community. So check out Ukulele Wine Club on my Patreon site. All right, I'll see you soon. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.